a very delicious tropical drink called the Wedge. Start off with your ice, pour that into your glass. And then we're going to add in about 2 ounces of coconut rum. And I'm using what is called a jigger, J-I-G-G-E-R, to pour this in. And this is a great little invention. It's 1 ounce on this side and a ½ ounce on the other side. And you can get one of those at a bar supply store or a liquor store. All right, then we're going to add in 6 ounces of cranberry juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like so. And we're going to shake it up. Coconut and cranberry, delicious. Lastly, we're going to pour this into our highball glass. Throw in a stirry straw. Because it's nice and tropical, we're also going to garnish with an orange and cherry flag, just like that. And there you have it, the Wedge. Cheers.